Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be going over the use and care of your washer. Proper use of your washer is very important. Not only does it give you the best washability, but it also gives you a machine that lasts a long time. So our first tip is read the instruction manual. Every wash machine is different, so make sure to read the instruction manual before using the machine for the first time. Next, sorting your laundry. Sort your laundry according to color, fabric type, and level of dirtiness. This will help prevent colors from bleeding and to avoid damaging delicate fabrics. Next, you'll want to pre-treat stains. If you have stains on your clothes, pre-treat them before putting them into the washing machine. This will help remove the stains more effectively. Use the right amount of detergent. Too much detergent can leave residue on your clothes, while too little can result in the clothes not being cleaned properly. Follow the instructions on the detergent label to determine the right amount of detergent to use. Next, choose the right water temperature. Different fabrics and stains require different water temperatures. For example, use hot water for white clothes and heavily soiled items, and cold water for delicate items and bright colors. Our next tip is don't overload the washer. Overloading the machine can damage it and result in the clothes not being cleaned properly. And our last tip is use the right cycle. Different washing machines have different cycles for the different types of clothing. Make sure you choose the right cycle for your laundry. So now that we've talked about the proper use of your washer, let's talk about the proper care. Giving your washer the proper care will ensure that you give long life of the machine as well as cost savings by fewer repairs. So for proper care of your machine, the first thing we want to talk about is cleaning. And that's just not cleaning and wiping it off. We're talking about doing a clean cycle. You'd want to be doing this once a week. Now, clean cycle actually can be a program right on the machine itself, and if your machine doesn't have it, then it's basically running it through another rinse. So with no clothes in it, put it on a hot setting and run it through for a rinse cycle. Next, you'll want to consider doing a deep clean every 6 months. And deep clean is a little bit more involved. You're going to be wanting to have absolutely no clothing in the machine. You're going to want to take some vinegar, dilute it with some water, pour that into your machine and run it through a full cycle on hot water. As well, once that's done, you'll want to open your door and you'll want to start inspecting that gasket around the door and wiping out anything down into the deep crevices to get away from anything that may be caught or stuck there that'll generate odor and mildew. So now that we've talked about the proper cleaning of your machine, there's a few other daily points that you can follow, such as leaving the door open after the use. Leaving the door open a few hours after it's finished will allow it to air out and will prevent mold and mildew growth. As well, use the right detergent. Using high quality detergent that is appropriate for your machine and water type. Avoid using too much detergent as this can lead to a residue buildup and potentially damage the machine. Thanks very much for watching and following our guide on the use and care of your washer. Following tips will ensure the most efficiency and cost savings from your washer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.